I'm okay with the order passed by the learned trial judge for the child maintenance. 3,000 I'm ready to pay, Lordship, but the point, and she is earning a salary of rupees 8,000.
So even if that is considered also, then
Yes,
how
ma'am.
much you are supposed to pay? 5,000.
I'm a Swiggy delivery person. Yes, my Lordship, I'm for the petition in this Lordship. I'm challenging the order passed by the trial court regarding the maintenance, your Lordship.
Enhancement.
No, my Lordship. Decreasing. I'm for the husband, your Lordship.
No IA is filed.
No, your Lordship, I'm seeking for the interim stay of the order, your Lordship.
Yes.
The order passed by the trial court is at page number 63, your Lordship. The order is
How
for
much is the maintenance?
6,000, 3,000 for the wife and 3,000 for the child, your Lordship.
What is your income?
My income is 12,000, your Lordship. Only contention, your Lordship, is that I'm okay with the order passed by the learned trial judge for the child maintenance. 3,000 I'm ready to pay, Lordship. But the point is, Lordship, her wife, that is the respond number 1, is working. And she is earning a salary of rupees 8,000. Which fact was also been established before the trial court. That fact was not considered. The relevant paragraph, your Lordship, is at page
So
number
even if that is considered also, then
Yes,
how much you are supposed to pay? 5,000.
Lordship, 3,000 for the child. I'm ready to pay, Lordship. That is the only barrier what I'm facing. I'm a Swiggy delivery person. I'm working as a Swiggy delivery person. So I'll be getting 12,000, your Lordship.
No, you are getting 12,000.
Yes,
And the wife is getting 8,000.
Yes, Lordship.
If you give another 5,000, it will be equal.
Lordship, that will be a burden for me, Lordship. That is the only problem. And I have to take care of the old mother also with me. 3,000 for the child, yes, Lordship. As I'm duty bound, I'll be paying to that. Only concern is that as she's working.
Also, the petitioner submits that the court below had granted 6,000 maintenance, 3 to the wife and 3 to the son.
Yes, Lord.
His income is 12,000, and in the case that the wife is earning an amount of rupees 8,000 per month, and the court below had failed to consider all these aspects, considering the same, they shall be stay of all further proceedings on the condition that he shall continue to pay 3,000 by 5th of every succeeding month. And when is the petition filed?
Your Lordship, petition is filed in 12/9/2023.
12/9/2023. The petitioner shall pay the arrears. Are you paying 3,000?
Yes, Lordship. As of now, I have not paid. The order is passed on. Order was passed on.
30 towards arrears.
Yes, Lordship. I'll do that.
1,000 shall be paid within 4 weeks. Same in the earlier order, whatever is the date given, but to take out notice and the listing also before that. Same.
That's
23.
Grateful, Your Lordship.